Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di, and Winston is joining us today. I had to give him a treat to make him, we'll see, when you say that T word, his face is like, what? So we are coming to my YouTube channel today to do a Di's Shorts, and it's going to be super quick because I'm up to my eyeballs in Winston. Oh, so if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome to my channel. So during the video premiere, I am in the chat room. So that's where you want to head on over there. I'll be there with my friends. And if you have any questions, just type them in there, and I'll be able to type them back to you. If you are watching the replay, though, and you have a question or a comment, just leave it below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can answer you, reach out to you. So today's just going to be a really quick video. I want to remind you about like the free shipping, my May class, and I'm just going to kind of give you a little sneak peek of what you can expect next week. I thought I would do that today. Let's get started. All right, so just close your eyes just for a second while I get my camera adjusted. Okay, I do want to remind you about the free shipping that ends today. This is April the 25th, 2025. And in the United States, because that's where I am, in Arizona, you have to order 75 before tax and shipping in order for the system to recognize that there's free shipping. So you definitely want to go in there to my store today and place your order. This is a great time to get those consumables. That's usually when I grab, like my adhesives, my grid sheets, envelopes, my basic white cardstock, things that I use all the time. Maybe there's a kit that you want. Make sure you grab that as well. Definitely check that last chance list because there's a bunch of stuff that is, retiring. So you want to make sure you grab that. Speaking of the retired, I do have my first batch of retired stuff. You can catch that on my blog over here. There's a list there, and I've been trying to update that list of the things that are available right now. There'll be more available in May, and I talked about that last week or earlier in the week. All right, I also want to remind you about my May class and the mail kit. So this registration is open now. Excuse me. So this is USA only, and you'll be getting the really cute sweet jar stamp set and the coordinating punch, and it's $62, and that includes the bundle, the supplies for 5 projects, the PDF with the close-up pics, and the supply list, priority postage, and then I'll send you a private video link within that PDF, and then you'll be able to make your projects along with me at your leisure, whether you're in your pajamas or your stamping shirt or whatever. That's always fun. And again, this is USA only. So the registration is open now, and it will close when I sell out. Now you might go, sell out? Well, this isn't available yet because this is something that's brand new. This doesn't start till May. But I like to only do so many class in the mail kits a month just to keep me organized and not too stressed out. So that's why I always say when I sell out, because I just kind of give myself, like, I only want to do like X amount. And then sometimes I will also find something out in the wild that goes perfect with a class, and then I only have so many of that item. So that's also another reason that when I say, when I sell out or supplies are limited. All right, and then this packet will go out May the 26th. So make sure you holler at me if you're interested in that. There's still time if you want to send a check to pay for the class, or I can send you a PayPal link. All right, so if you have any questions on that, holler at me. All right, so I'm just going to give you a little sneaky peeky of what I'm going to play with next week. And it is going to be the Turtley Cute DSP. I don't know if I'll use the stamp set. So this is something that will be coming in May. As a demonstrator, we can pre-order things early. So I was able to pre-order things early. I also went to the backstage event in Raleigh, so we also could order things earlier than that. And this paper is so awesome. And then I just found out that Amelia, and she was the one that drew my darling dinos. I worked with her. Oh gosh, it's probably been a couple years ago now, to do my darling dinos. And so she is the same person that drew this stamp set, this whole collection. And so I was excited to hear that. All right, so I'm just going to play with this designer series paper next week. And like I said, I don't know if I'll play with the stamp set, but the paper is so cute. So I think I've shown it already, but I'm just going to kind of give you a little sneak peek some of these cute little turtles. And I'll be honest, I wasn't a super big fan when I saw them, because I was like, oh, I was a little selfish, and I said, oh, we could have had more dinos doing stuff like this, and we totally could. But I'm so excited when I heard that Amelia drew it, because the paper is so fun, and so are these really cute little turtles. And she mentioned like why she had certain ones doing things, and I don't want to get into that because, you know, some of that she mentioned in the Stampin' Up, you know, on the video for Demonstrator. So I just want to keep some of the personal things, but some of the things that aren't necessarily personal. I just love like seeing things, right? Like she showed what these little guys looked like when she was sketching them and how they changed. And I never even caught on to this one. This little girl here, she was out sunbathing, and look, she got a sunburn. I never even picked up on that till Amelia said she got her sunburn. This little guy also, she says he loves to barbecue, but he's not good at it. And look he's got like barbecue, like he's, you know, like when you put too much lighter fluid and then you burn your eyebrows off or whatever, he's all singed. And I thought that was so fun that, you know, that she explained that, because there's just certain things you might not see or whatever. And I'm excited for, because we couldn't get that, I don't believe, or I would have got that. But there's going to be a scrapbooking kit that uses this as well, so I can't wait. But it's just so fun. And then the little turtle on the bike and his feet, he can't even reach the pedals. So hopefully that's an electric bike. But they're just, all the little details and stuff are so fun. So this is what I'm going to play with next week. What is this one? So these are little guys with the band. So if you know anybody like in, maybe in school, right? They're in band in school, that would be a cute page. And then these little guys, there are just so many. And then some of the die, like there's a die that goes with this. And so some of these little guys get cut out with the die, and the little arm gets cut out too, so it opens up so that he can hold things. But anyways, so that is, you know, I just wanted to like kind of give a little sneak peek of what I'm going to be playing with next week. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So like I said, that was a super quick. That's how die short should be, right? Right to the point. All right. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me. I also was thinking I should sometime do a question and answer video. So if you're interested in something like that, then just email me some questions, you know, and then maybe like one day I'll like, you know, like answer all the questions and just go, oh, you know, so-and-so wants to know what my favorite color is, or things like that, right? So I thought that might be fun. But I think that's all. I'm like looking around, and I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. But have a good weekend, and I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. That will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time. same time, same channel. And don't forget the free shipping. Ends today, all right? So watch your clock. You don't want to go too late. So definitely, if you're going to do the free shipping, make sure you do it early. So if you have any issues, I can help you. If you're doing it too late, Stampin' Up's closed, and you don't want that to happen. So also don't forget, there's the new rewards going on. So when you place, if you've not placed an order in my store since that changed, that was April 15th, when you first start placing your order, I believe it'll come up, this little thing will say, do you want to be part of the rewards program or something like that? And then go yes, like accept that, and then you'll start earning rewards for your orders. And then so instead of having to be like a hostess like it was before, now everybody can earn awards, and I believe in the United States it starts with $20 before tax and shipping is the limit for that reward to start. And then also don't forget free shipping. So I think that's all I wanted to blabber about. So I will say see you later, and I will see you Monday. All right, bye for now.